is the notion that at some point there is an AI that will cross a threshold and then through sort of self-recursive improvement allow whoever gets it first to dominate everybody else. And so this is often presented as an argument for why we can't let China get AGI, right? Why we have to get it first or else we'll be dominated. And my view, the reason why I think it's the most wrong idea in Davos, and I hear it from people on the left, I hear it from people on the right, I hear it all the time. The reason I think it's wrong is I don't think AI works that way. I don't think there is a threshold you cross, and I don't think there's a very quick process by which a recursive AI could lead to domination. But maybe I'm wrong. Andrew, what do you think?
I agree with that. We've been using AI to develop better semiconductors for a long time now, and the improved semiconductors help us build better AI. So there is already a recursive loop that's been going on for, I don't know, I want to say probably years or decades. But that recursive loop is slow because even AI has to obey the laws of physics. Even AI can't build a manufacturing plant. Even super intelligent AI can't exceed the speed of light, cannot build large plants faster than the laws of physics allow us to. And I think China has been an interesting bugbear for the teams wanting to take away our rights to open source. I think you mentioned DeepSeek. Right now, many of the leading open source, open waste models are now out of China. Maybe that's fine. But I feel like if the Western world doesn't want the open source supply chain to be dominated only by China, then I think the Western world has to keep on stepping up our game to also make sure that the global world uses Western models in addition to Chinese models.
Yasha, do you agree with that? Or do you multiple parts to that answer, but first, do you agree with the concept that there is not some threshold at which there is a self-recursive model that could lead to one country dominating other countries?
I don't think it's possible to know for sure one way or the other. The self-improvement idea is something worrisome because that could accelerate the rate of progress, right? Once the AI is changing its code, not its hardware, we could see algorithms that are better and better from one generation to the next. The other reason why self-improvement is worrisome is because when you train one AI, say, GPT-8 or something, once it's trained, you can deploy it with hundreds of thousands or even 1 million copies. And so if you had an AI that was at the same level of competence as the best AI researchers, suddenly you would add that workforce of 1 million top-level AI researchers to the pool. And so that would create an instantaneous acceleration. I want to, you go ahead.
No, I want to share, I feel like there are actually two philosophies on AI being represented here, and maybe I just call what they are. I tend to view AI as a tool, and I think it's wonderful to get to AGI because then all of you would better have an army of interns that are very smart to do whatever